Hi, Terry VanNoy. Welcome to Math Class with Terry V. Hope this video helps you out, and if you enjoy it, please share it, comment, or like it. And you can also go to my website, MathPowerLine.com. It's a math resource blog, lesson videos for students, and other resources for parents and teachers. Give me a call or go to my website or email. All right, let's go to today's lesson. This is a continuing video series about applying exponent rules. We're going to be doing some more problem sets here about powers of powers. Now you can see where we're headed. We're going to get to, in the next video here, dividing exponents, what happens when we have negative and zero exponents, and then we'll have a self-quiz to kind of pull it all together. So let's look at today's problems. All right, as you know, the routine is that I show you these problems to try on a piece of paper and give it a shot, hit pause, and then I'll work out the problems and show you what the answers are and see how you did. All right, give it a try. Okay, you can check your answers, and I'm going to start with number 13 here. Notice how the parentheses and the 3 exponent on the outside shows that we're talking about powers of powers. And as I mentioned in the previous video, that is a multiplication of the powers here. So remember that the 3 on the outside actually applies to the -2 and the v and the u to the third. Think of them separately and take care of it. So -2 to the third power is -2 times -2 times -2, which is -8. Okay, be careful with your negative signs there. And this is v to the first, actually. V to the first raised to the third power would be v to the third. And u to the third power raised to the third power that's where we multiply the exponent there. That's u to the 9th. Okay? Then I'm just going to carry down the rest of it, 2v and -2u to the third. Now we put it all together. You'll notice how you first take care of the coefficient numbers there, -8 times 2 times -2. Notice how that would be a positive 32 when you multiply it all together. Okay? V to the fourth comes from this v to the third times v to the first. And u to the 12th in my answer is u to the 9th times u to the third. We add those exponents. All right, look at the next one. There's an a on the outside times this parentheses group raised to the 4th power. So we have a power of a power, and that -2 is raised to the 4th power. So -2 times -2 times -2 times -2. That would be 16, positive 16. b to the first raised to the 4th power would be b to the 4th. And a to the third raised to the 4th power, a to the 12th, multiplying those exponents. Now when I multiply it all together again, notice how this a in the front is really a to the first, and that's why it becomes a to the 13th, b to the 4th, and 16 there. Okay, we try to put our variables in alphabetical order. All right, let's deal with the first group here, which is going to give us -2 squared would be positive 4. X raised to the 2nd power would be x squared. And y to the 3rd squared would be y to the 6th. Okay, that's the first parentheses group. Second parentheses group would be 2 cubed, or to the 3rd power, so that would be 8. 2 times 2 times 2. And x to the 3rd raised to the 3rd would be x to the 9th. And y squared raised to the 3rd power would be y to the 6th. And we multiply it all together. At this point, we're adding our exponents together, and that gives me my final answer you can see here. All right, number 16 to finish off is 2 to the 3rd power, which would be 8. The a here would be raised to the 12th power. The b would be raised also to the 12th power. And in the second group, I have -2 to the 4th power, which would be 16, positive 16. And this would be a to the 12th and b to the 8th. All right, now take a look at how I got my answer. 8 times 16 is 128. 8 to the 12th times 8 to the 12th again, 8 to the 24th. We're going to add those powers together. And then b to the 20th comes from b to the 12th times b to the 8th. All right, fairly complicated looking, but the idea is pretty simple. Just keep track of your exponents. All right, thanks for watching, and we're going to move on to dividing exponents next. Thanks for watching. All right, there you have it. I invite you to go to my website now, MathPowerLine.com, or email me or give me a call. The way I work best with students is live, online in my classroom. So if I can help you in any way, answer some specific questions, the first lesson with me is free as I show you how everything works. All right, study hard,